Front view demonstration. Side view demonstration. Rear view demonstration. Form 2. Xie Huaicheng, golden monkey looking at its reflection to the right. Xie Huaicheng, golden monkey looking at its reflection to the right. Without stopping, raise your left knee and hop with your right foot. As your left hand sweeps to the right side of your waist, form a monkey hand with your right hand and place it in front of your head. Maintain the same body posture as the previous movement, with your gaze directed